Hello, this is Jessie with AGA Token, and today I'm going to show you how to use Uniswap to exchange Ethereum for the ERC20 AGA token, as well as exchange AGA token for the USDC stablecoin. So let's go ahead and get started. In this video, we are assuming that you already have a Coinbase wallet installed and funded with Ethereum. However, I will show you how to set up a wallet if you don't already have one set up. So first you have to navigate to the AGA Token website and scroll down and click the Uniswap link. And now that should already populate an exchange pair. But if it doesn't, you can click on the View Etherscan link. Scroll down, copy the contract link, navigate back to Uniswap, click Connect Wallet, and as you can see, it will bring up multiple wallets you can choose from. And in this case, I will be choosing the Coinbase wallet. Now here is where you get the option of creating a new wallet or restoring the one you already have. I'm going to show you how to create your own. So first click Accept Terms and Conditions, pick your username, choose whether you want your username to be searchable, protect your wallet by setting up a passcode or using Face ID, back up your wallet and save your recovery phrase in a safe place. Click I understand, and now create a password, which must contain at least 8 characters and 1 number. And now you can see by the upper right corner that your Coinbase wallet has been linked to Uniswap. So the next step is to exchange Ethereum for AGA token. So you'll click Select Token, and AGA token should auto-populate, but if it doesn't, paste the contract ID which you got from etherscan.io. Select AGA token, type in the amount of AGA you wish to exchange for your Ethereum, click Swap, confirm the swap, confirm payment, and then if you have Face ID enabled on your phone, the transaction will automatically be confirmed. And so as you can see, there's a pending transaction, and once that transaction has went through, you will see the balance increase within your wallet with AGA token. And you can check your balance by clicking on the Wallet tab on the bottom left of the screen. So the next step is to exchange AGA token for a stablecoin. So navigate back to Uniswap, select the token that you would like to send from and to exchange for. So change Ethereum to AGA, paste the coin ID, click AGA, select the token you would like to swap for. And in this case, I'm going to do USDC, but you can choose any stable coin or ERC20 token you would like to exchange AGA for. Enter the amount of AGA you want to exchange, hit swap, confirm swap, and once that transaction has went through, you will see the balance increase with USDC within your wallet. So that's it. So what you've learned today is how to use Uniswap to exchange Ethereum for AGA token, and then use AGA token to exchange for stablecoin or any ERC20 token. So I hope you enjoyed this and you learned something, and please visit us back for more tutorials in the future.